to the start of a new vlog. Come with me, let's go make lunch. Very heavy late lunch, and this is all I'm going to eat today. It's a lot, but I'm so excited and I can't wait to dig in. Today is content day for the other channel, so I am finally taking my time to get back on the other channel because, man, it's been a long time I posted there. I've only posted there one time this year, twice actually. One full video, like full length content, what do they call it, long form content, and then one short. And this is August already. I cannot believe how time flies. But this is not even my fault because I have gone through a lot. Guys, I've gone through a lot this year. So I want to film like a live update so that I can start posting on there. If you followed me from that channel, thank you so much. This is time to actually say thank you because I don't even mention it, and some people that have found me just randomly. I used to have another channel. I started this channel last year, end of last year. It's almost 1 year. See how time flies. Well, anyways, let me stop talking. I'm ready now. I have just gotten everything set up. So I'm going to film and then I'll talk to you guys later. You would not believe that. Just as I was about to start, I got a call from my friends and we decided to hop on this call, and it took 2 hours or maybe 1 hour. No, 2 hours. And I was just looking at it because I work with time. I like to film with daylight, like natural light. That's what I mean. And because of the rain, it's been raining. The weather has not been very bright, but thankfully it kind of cleared up. because during the fall, so that was to my advantage. But it was getting very dark at some point, but during the fall, so I am done. That's what I'm trying to say, and I'm so happy that I filmed that video because I had to refilm it. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys this that I got. Let me show you guys. We have this here. So this is a microphone that I got. This is a gift actually, and I have not used this because I already have a mic, but it's a wireless microphone. And then this is the DJI Osmo Mobile SE. Apparently this is a smartphone stabilizer. Guys, I want to do an unboxing, but I'm really not in the mood right now because I am tired. Like after all this filming, I really wish this was the DJI Osmo like camera thingy. I'm not even going to lie. I'm not ungrateful. I am so thankful, but I wish it was a camera because filming with my mobile phone, having to delete stuff. Thank God I have a hard drive, so I'm not complaining about space or that. But I just wish I have a camera for content creation separately, and then I use my smartphone for maybe Instagram and other content style. Yes, because that's why I've not been posting a lot of reels on Instagram. Imagine batch creating for Instagram and then having to film for YouTube. It's going to take a lot of space that I do not have right now. So yeah, but anyways, that's that. I'm going to unbox it with you guys, but not right now. I just need to breathe and just rest because I've done a lot of work today and I want to start editing this video later today. So yeah, we're done. Weather just changed all of a sudden. It was sunny a few minutes ago. Today is Saturday. I'm in such great spirits, high spirits, considering the fact that last week, around this time last week, I was very, very sick. But we thank God for healing, for grace. Guys, I have used today to work. Yes, I had to clean the house. I didn't vlog. I just wanted to do everything I wanted to do quickly and rest because vlogging is a lot of work. So I cleaned the house. I did laundry. The one you guys saw me fold was something I have been putting off. It takes me a long time to fold my clothes. I'm not even ashamed to say it. At this point, if you're a regular here, you should know that it takes me a very long time to fold my clothes. I cannot help it. I don't like it. It's not a chore I enjoy. But I always get to it, and I did that today. I also have laundry in the washing machine. They just took the light, so I'll get back to it when they bring the lights. What else have I done today? Just normal house chores. And then I made food. Oh yes, while I was cleaning, I was cooking. I've not eaten. I'm going to eat very soon. But guys, I wanted to show you something I got yesterday from my friend. Ta-da! I know you guys will say, what is this stuff? It's glasses. This is so freaking cute. Wait, guys. I look like somebody that wants to travel. I feel like this is going to be so cool for travel. It's so freaking cute. I couldn't wait to show you guys. I was like, that's the first I'm going to show. It's a Solano glass. And what I love about it is the fact that it is 100% UV 400 protection. Yeah. It stops sun rays. So this is like the real sunglasses. This is very, very cute. Like, I've never had anything like this, by the way, so I'm very excited. It's brown. It's just freaking cute, and then it has these details here, and it's just like, I've not had anything like this before. My glasses are usually just the regular type glasses that you see, so this is just out of My friends know me so well. Thank you, my baby. I know she's going to watch this, but let me stop acting drama, guys. I'm hungry. Guys, good morning. Today is Sunday and I am trying to figure out what I want to make for breakfast. By the way, my sister is around. She came last night and we're supposed to go out later this evening. Even Maria is coming around. Well guys, I am beating myself up because so I have my cornrows underneath this. I've been wearing wig now. I've been in my wig phase, which I am loving so far. But the cornrows I've had them for maybe more than 2 months. I don't remember exactly now. Maybe 1 month. Let's just say 1 month. So I need to loosen it. But then my sister is around. She would have made it for me. I broke my hair dryer sometime and I've not bought a new one. I don't know, it just escaped my mind because it's not priority. So the plan was to go to the salon and wash my hair and then have my sister make my hair because, you know, save the money. But now, today is Sunday. The salons are closed, so I cannot even loosen the hair and wash it. Because if I wash it, it will not be able to dry because I don't have a dryer. I'm so pissed off with myself because it's my mistake. Well, there's nothing I can do. I'll just have to carry this hair again. Then maybe do it during the week. We'll see how it goes. But I'm just thinking about the fact that today would have just been a perfect day now that she's around. But anyways, I'll be fine. And I'll figure out what to do about my hair sometime later in the week. But yeah, let's look for something to eat.
Je pense à toi tous les matins. Je t'aime. Je pense à toi tous les matins. Je t'aime. Je pense à toi. Oh, je t'aime. Je pense à toi. Je t'aime. So he called me the other day and he said that he just, had the best time ever. And I kind of blushed because it was so nice to hear his voice. He was like, it really was good, baby, and I want to see you again, and I want to take this to another level. Of course I said yes. I mean, it was good. Je pense à toi.
guys, I have just come here to return Maria's charger which she left at my house on Sunday nights. It's Sunday morning. No, it's Monday morning. Hello. Alright. Bye bye. Okay, I'm done. Just dropped that off. Please help me turn on the lights. Oh yeah, let there be lights. Guys, this is my younger sister. Come. She's holding the fruit of her labor. You guys, don't take me seriously. Meet my sister. If you've not met her before, say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
She's holding the. I told you guys I got waist beads, or she got me waist beads the other day, and she hasn't given it to me. So she added this one today. This black one. I don't know if I'm going to wear it yet. I've not yet decided because I already have some that I got the other day when I was out at the market with Messi. But yeah, I just remembered I have not vlogged with her and she has been here for some days. She's actually leaving today. Unfortunately, there's nothing unfortunate about it. I need to leave this house because I'm going out. I'll see you later. Auntie, say bye.
Bye. See you guys.
Bye. They are telling you bye too. Bye.